So where do I see the stock going after the stock split? Well, I still believe we'll see Tesla go to in and around the range of $3,000. So if we're saying right now Tesla stock's at 900, you're splitting that in three. $300 will be the new share price. I can foresee it 10xing from there up to $3,000. What is the crack, everyone? Welcome back to Buy Wholesale. Hope of course you are all well. So talking about Tesla, talking about the stock split, and it was actually yesterday we talked about the different scenarios, and I thought I'll just do a quick video for them and for everybody else I thought is interested in Tesla stock splits. So if you're interested in these types of videos, feel free to subscribe to the channel, like, comment down below, help me with this YouTube algorithm that I'm trying to so patiently to try and get my head around. It's very difficult. A quick summary of the whole situation then. Shareholders were asked to put it to vote, would they like another share split? We have had this already before. The previous share split seen about an 80% rise follow suit, and we've got some statistics that we'll get into in a moment where we think this split could go to, but it was voted by shareholders to proceed under this split, and it's a 3-to-1. So if you have one stock of Tesla, come the 25th of August, you will have three. The close price on the 24th is the price, and that will be divided by 3. So again, for simple terms, if the stock price is at 900 at the close, it will become 300 and you will have 3. So the misconception is here that people think this is going to make a huge difference to things. It really doesn't make a difference at all. The thing, as we always talk about this channel, is the market cap. Share price is really irrelevant. It's just a matter how many shares you have, but it all equals one thing. And as I put it into the Discord yesterday, simplest way to make that would be if you had a pie, hot, fresh, tasty pie, come out of the oven. If you divided that by 3, you have 3 pieces of pie, but if you put it all back together, it's still one pie. So that's it in layman's terms. Another misconception that people seem to have is that you needed to be in this by August 17th. If you aren't, then you will not get the split or the dividend kind of thing. It's not quite the same as a dividend. Dividend, yes, that's exactly it. If you're not in at that price, you won't get the dividend payment. This is a bit different because you still will. The majority of brokers, and again, disclaimer, you'll need to go and check your own brokers and understand how you're purchasing shares. Every case could be slightly different. For example, if your broker owns the shares, they will in the background be sorting all this out anyway, so your shares should still split the way it is. Some brokers may just cash you out, so you need to just be sure there, but you should still be okay if you're using one of the more popular sort of retail trading platforms. We're chatting about all this in the Discord today, and if we actually scroll up to here, this is what my synopsis is of what really happens. Technically, we don't see a difference. But in short, it allows people to buy Tesla that can't afford one now. Some brokers don't allow fractional shares. So right now, the price of $900 might put a lot of people off. They might go, no, I can't afford that. And they have no option to buy a 1/10 of a share or whatever. So this scenario means 900 becomes 300. It might open the doors to more people to purchase Tesla stock. The next thing here I talked about is options trading. It becomes more affordable, and that is the key thing. With options trading, you have to purchase 100 shares or leverage 100 shares. Either way, it's a hell of a lot more when the stock price is a hell of a lot more. Now that it's a bit more reasonable in price, it opens the doors for a lot of people to explore options trading, including myself. This will be the first time that I proceed with an options trading on Tesla stock. I'm very, very keen on it, very, very bullish. So where do I see the stock going after the stock split? Well, I still believe we'll see Tesla go to in and around the range of $3,000. So if we're saying right now Tesla stock's at 900, you're splitting that in three. $300 will be the new share price. I can foresee it 10xing from there up to $3,000. If you are interested in joining Discord, very reasonable fee. I put in all my trade alerts. We're doing some great alerts at the moment. We're doing some money on Forex, oil trade, stock trading, you name it. We're doing it all. Shorting mostly, quite bearish on the stock market at the moment. So we're doing a lot of short trading. We're just making money in every market. If you're interested in that type of thing, get into the Discord. So a few other things that I want to throw out there is what normally happens historically, because we always like to look at previous performances here for a bit of an indication. However, short boost in the stock price performance historically, a company splits. Since the 1980s, stocks have been split, have typically gained around 25% 1 year after the move, compared with the broader market 9% increase. We've seen this previously on the Tesla stock split back at 5-for-1 split about 2 years ago, and we've seen it shoot up 80%. Now I want to say this is a different type of market then. That was the great bull run. One of the greatest bull runs of all time. Things are a slightly bit different now. So be wary, don't be expecting this to moon, but I wouldn't be surprised if we did rally to a certain point and even managing expectations, you know, maybe a 10%, 15, 20% jump. Now, if we actually just pull up the charts, we can see yesterday it sold off. We're sitting around 870 a share. We'll see what way it goes today. And over the next coming days up to that share split. This was a level of support. We've become a sell on the day chart. We are slipping below and MACD does not look good, does not look strong. 4-hour chart telling roughly the same story, but perhaps a bit more oversold and perhaps a bit of a turn coming. What I like about this is that we're well above the 180-day moving average. Plus, there is the potential for a cup in handle potentially playing out here. A cup in handle, as we've covered on the channel before, could be a bullish sentiment. We break out of this, it could send it higher. I'm going to be doing a lot of TA on Tesla over the coming days to see what way this stock is reacting. I'm keen to load up massively. As most people know, I'm Tesla bullish for years now. Loving Tesla, love everything that they're going to do, and I'm going to talk a bit more about that 3,000 price target in a moment. But in the initial period, I'm sitting tight. I've only one Tesla share. I only bought back in yesterday on the dip. I had sold in and around these levels because you can see here there's no volume. No volume means no one's buying. No one's buying. I ain't sure as hell holding. So I sold. We sold a lot here and I sold the last of it at 903. All in the Discord, all my price alerts based on purely on charts. We've seen it fall down to 860 and I thought, I'll nibble in and around these prices just to get something on the portfolio. I'm obviously excited about the stock split, but I'm not a foolish man either. I am keen long-term on Tesla, but I really am nervy about this market and I wouldn't be surprised if we've seen an overall pullback. But on the initial stock split, there could be excitement, and I like the fact that we've seen that historic thing since 1980 show roughly a 25% increase in price. So I'll be watching it carefully. If you're interested, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you want to learn how to do all this, to be able to buy and sell, like when the buy symbol comes in, we ride it up, we make 40 cents. When a sell comes in, you can either choose to short it or you could just leave it, let it settle until better sort of times come, and then a buy symbol will come in and you could ride this up. I have all these indicators all included, custom made, tells you when to buy, when to sell. If you're interested in all that, the trading course, here comes the plug. The trading course is alive now, my new banner showing you some of the things that I've been featured in, like Business Insider, investing.com, the Mirror, REUTERS, just to name a few. This is the trading course, a little about me, featured all those articles. You can go on and have a read of them all, and then the elite trading course is down below. Scroll down, you can watch the disclaimer for free, and then there is all the courses there for your viewing pleasure. Highly recommend it, and small investment in yourself to understand how to make money. It will really pay off in dividends. Ask anyone that's in the course. Over 100 members now, delighted to say that. Thank you everyone, no bad feedback yet. So again, offering a money back guarantee. If you're interested, DM me. So that's enough of the plug, but why am I excited about Tesla? Why do I believe it's going to go 10x your money? Why do I believe you could potentially retire owning Tesla stock alone? AI Day today was tweeted out. As you can see, all the tweets come into my Discord, and it was September 30th. Now, we knew it was coming end of August, September. It's September 30th, talk about the last day. So they're obviously trying to scramble to get something together. Elon Musk has historically always sort of said we're going to do it by this date, and more times than not, the date doesn't come. I don't see that as a bad thing. I see that as just a man that's over enthusiastic, but he is a genius at the end of the day. This is exciting. This is really exciting because we're going to get a huge update on the robots. Even look at the picture here again, guys. You can see it's the robot doing the heart sign. What that means is it's going to be all about robots, and I'm really excited about that. The robots is going to do meaningless tasks. Super excited. I'm going to be doing a video on 4 things that I'm really excited about Tesla, and it's nothing to do with their cars. A lot of misconception there. Again, people just think, oh, cars, oh, hey, Hyundai, they're doing good cars. Well, whatever. That's not what we're in Tesla purely for. It's not just the cars. We're in for the self-driving. We're in for the robots, the robot taxis. Self-driving subscription charges just went up the other day to $15,000, and then we've got all the solar and the storage energy, and the list really goes on. That is why I'm super bullish on Tesla. I'll do a proper video, so again, like, subscribe, help me grow the channel if you're interested in that type of thing. And I would check out this is all about Elon Musk. A lot of people misunderstand Elon Musk. There's a lot of negative media attention out there because now he is one of the richest men. You always get support on the way up the ladder, but once you get there, people want to pull you down. This is a good video for those that are interested in that, and I will catch you in the next video. Peace!